Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your Mac for free directly from the App Store. Let's get started. Click on the App Store icon from the dock. If you don't see it there, no worries. Just click the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Type App Store and press enter. Once the App Store opens, go to the search bar and type WhatsApp. Next, click on Get and then tap Install. If you are asked to sign in, use your Apple ID password or Touch ID to confirm. Wait a few seconds while it downloads. WhatsApp will automatically install on your Mac. When the installation is complete, open your Applications folder or Launchpad and you will see WhatsApp there. Just click to open it and you are all set. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Mac and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.